Hey, what's up? Happy New Year to all of you. I just want to give a quick shout out to my January birthday folks. What's up? Happy birthday to you. It's the first of the month, but I'm celebrating all of you who have a birthday in January. And I want to talk about your flower, actually 2 flowers of the month. And here it is. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that your January month just blossoms for you.
Right, so the first one is the carnation. I love carnations because really, I mean, when you get the whole bouquet of flowers, that's the only one that lasts. You know what I'm saying? That's the only one that's left in the whole vase. Love it. Next one is the snowdrop. It's so beautiful. Look at it. I'm going to leave some details in the captions for facts on these, but I just want to say happy birthday to y'all. Love y'all. Mwah.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Don't forget to comment your birthday so the rest of the community can give you love. Happy planting. I holla.